A black hole was caught burping years after eating a star. When a star gets too close to a black hole, it can be torn apart in a tidal disruption event. Usually, the brightest emissions happen relatively quickly. But in 2022, astronomers observed a black hole unexpectedly producing radio emissions years after the original event. The delayed outflow suggests black holes may sometimes restart activity long after astronomers think the event is over. Space really said digestion takes time. Enjoy today's science fact, please like and subscribe and tune in tomorrow.